2017 Lexus IS. The IS is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, fog lights, power windows, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, overhead console, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.